Srimatre Namaha. From August 2nd to August 30th, the month is called Shravana Masa, and it is very auspicious for all the spiritual practitioners because most of the powerful and very energetic pujas are done in this month. Shravana Masa, the name has come to this month because on the full moon day, the moon is very close to Shravana Nakshatra, the star. And why this month is so auspicious? No, in spirituality, every month, every day, every second is auspicious only. But some months the nature, the energy in the nature is such that we have more support from the nature. And all the great festivals like Varalakshmi Puja, which is done in the South India, Mangalagauri Puja, it's also done mostly in South India, Rakhi Purnami, which is all over India, and then Upakarma, where the people who have the Yajnopavita, the Nevu, they will change it with a special ceremony called Upakarma. Nagapanchami is also in this month. So like this, all the festivals are coming in this month. Why? Because the Gita Acharya, Krishna, is born in this month, Krishnashtami. And Hayagriva, who is one of the conversationalists in Lalita Sahasranama, it is between Hayagriva, Agastya Samvade. So they were discussing. So in that, Hayagriva's birthday happens to be in Shravana. Not only that, as per astrology, all the people born in Shravana Masa will be very famous in doing Vedic karmas, spiritual practices, rituals, and also will be active in community services. And they have a lot of Punya Kirti, auspicious fame. Of course, incidentally, I was also born in Shravana Masa, 29th August. And Garuda has got the pot of nectar in this month to relieve his mother from slavery. And very auspicious to worship Vishnu, Shiva, Lakshmi. All the three deities are worshipped in Shravana Masa. Shiva on every Monday, and Gauri on every Tuesday, and Lakshmi on every Friday. So, in our center also, Srividya Learning Center, we are doing all the auspicious pujas which are going to be explained to you on a daily basis, on a grand scale. More particularly, on the 9th of August, the Friday before full moon, we are going to celebrate Varalakshmi Puja, wherein all the mantras will be explained and the story will be explained in detail, in depth, what's the inner meaning of that. So, all the people who are interested also can come. Finally, Shravana Masa, if you do any japa, that means mantra meditation, and pujas, rituals, and also dana, that means donation to the needy. As per the Shastras, whatever benefit you get in the normal month, it will be multifold in Shravana Masa. And it's also a rainy season, very good for farmers, very auspicious, greenery all around you. So, and Krishna is born, that's why it activates Anahara Chakra. For unconditional love and compassion, you worship Krishna. Surya is also worshipped in the Supaudana Vrata, which comes in this Shravana Masa. Surya is worshipped for life energy. Shiva is worshipped for self-realization. Gauri is worshipped for marital bliss and protection. Lakshmi is worshipped for all-round prosperity. And Rakhi is celebrated for maintaining healthy relationship with the people around you. Like that, all the auspicious pujas are coming in this month. We're eagerly waiting for August 2nd from when the Shravana Masam starts. So stay tuned and let's all celebrate together all these pujas. And from the first day of Shravana Masa, we have decided to produce one video which explains the festival coming the next day so that you can also perform the puja and what is the benefit, what is the change you have by doing the puja, that also will be given. From August 1st onwards, we're going to put those videos and that will be all round this year. So stay tuned. Sri Matra.